based in Deqing, 33,000 square meters intelligent base. Constructing the core supply and of waterproof materials. Annual production of asphalt waterproofing membrane exceeds 10 million square meters. Annual production of waterproof coating exceeds 10,000 tons. Annual production of polymer waterproofing membrane exceeds 5 million square meters. 7 precision control lines. Achieving a balance between high yield and high quality. Technology as the core. Production capacity as the wing. Build a strong waterproof defense line for every project.